I have an internal Pioneer BDR-2209. It's a 16x burner. Comes with some standard software. So it'll write CDRs, DVDs, 8x tri-layer, and 16x for a single layer. It also comes with some Power DVD 10, Power to Go backup software, and a Power Director, which is for movies. Looks like you have a little package. Feels like nuts. Okay, so we have your media suite. Oh, it comes with a disc, a recordable 25 gigabyte disc. Wow, that's pretty sweet. And some instructions. Looks like they give you some cables for it, your SATA cable and your power cable, if you don't already have one. And then, so the drive, just your standard drive. It looks pretty good. Okay.